In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Studio Theme in Shopify. I'll walk you through the exact sequence of actions you'll take in the Shopify admin so you can confidently tailor your storefront's look and feel. Begin by signing in to your Shopify account and arriving at the dashboard homepage. Take a moment to orient yourself. This is where you manage products, orders, and design. From the main dashboard, move your attention to the left-hand sidebar where the navigation lives. Look for Online Store and click it to expand that section. This is the hub for everything theme and storefront related. Within the Online Store area, select Themes from the menu. You'll see the current published theme at the top and any additional themes below. Choose the theme you want to work on and click Edit Theme to open the theme editor. This launches a live preview on the right and a customization panel on the left, where you'll make adjustments and see changes in real time. Inside the theme editor, start by selecting Content to access the page elements that build your store. Content groups the various sections of your theme, headers, footers, product cards, and more, so you can focus on specific areas without being overwhelmed. Click the area you want to modify to reveal its settings. If you want to change the navigation or header layout, click the menu region. When you do, a new panel will open, allowing you to customize the menu behavior and visual options. This is where you can adjust spacing, link order, and color accents that affect how visitors move through your site. Typography is a key design element, so next choose Typography to refine your fonts. Here you can set typefaces for headings, body text, and buttons. Aim for readability and consistency. Limit yourself to 2 complementary fonts and make sure sizes and line heights are balanced for both desktop and mobile. To edit the actual words on your site, select text and update the copy directly in the fields provided. This is useful for altering buttons, informational blurbs, or footer descriptions. Clear, concise copy improves user experience just as much as visual tweaks. When you're happy with the changes, click Save to apply them. A quick tip: save often while you're working and preview on both desktop and mobile modes to ensure everything scales correctly. If you want to experiment safely, consider duplicating your theme before making major changes so your live store remains unaffected. That covers the basic flow for customizing a studio theme in Shopify. Follow these steps, take your time with visual and typographic choices, and remember to save